But we begin with a closer look at the law when it comes to your NCAA brackets.
Now, they're in almost every office across the country, but if you're planning to play for money here in Rhode Island, you're actually breaking the law. Eyewitness News reporter Jared Pliner is live in the newsroom now with more on those penalties.
Mike and Kelly, you'd be hard-pressed to go the month of March into April without seeing one of these, the often played, often frustrating NCAA tournament bracket. But are these pieces of paper just innocent fun or something more?
Millions of workplaces partake, billions of dollars are wagered. But in most states, including Rhode Island, the practice is technically illegal. Eyewitness News looked up the statute right there in the state general laws. The language bars pool selling and bookmaking, betting on the outcome of a contest of skill, sporting events included. A successful prosecution could result in a $500 fine and no more than a year in jail. Repeat offenders face up to 5. The potential penalties are less than persuasive to the March Madness faithful.
I didn't know it was illegal. I think it's a lot of fun. You know, get some friends together, see who can put together the best bracket.
If people are making too much money at it, I get that there should be some regulation. I think as far as office pools, friends, fun, I mean, you got to be able to have some fun in life.
So where is that $5, $10 to get in on the action okay? The short answer, in 4 states. Sports betting is legal in Nevada, Delaware, Oregon, and Montana.
And the FBI estimate over $2 billion change hands illegally during March Madness every year. Now, back 20 years ago in 1992, Congress passed the Bradley Act banning sports betting nationwide except for the pools and lotteries in those 4 states mentioned. In the newsroom, I'm Jared Pliner, Eyewitness News.